Pak.
Bapak sebagai orang tua, ini jujur ya Pak ya, lebih baik anak Bapak berprestasi di sekolah, nilai tinggi, juara 1, atau berprestasi di karir dia sebagai seorang pembalap motor? Jujur Pak.
Juara nasional.
Juara nasional.
Kalau saya sih yang penting karirnya dia ke depan.
Ya.
Ya. Kalau terus itu nanti pilihannya dia kalau udah mungkin tambah
Ya nggak, kalau
dewasa,
sekarang ini mending mana Pak?
karir dia
Motor.
motor.
Motor. Nah, Ma biasanya beda nih.
Mah, gimana Mah?
Lebih baik dia juara 1 di sekolah atau lebih baik dia juara 1 di lomba motor?
Juara 1 di lomba motor.
Because it's such a short lap, has Morelli got the option on this final lap to catch kilos and then pass it?
And here is Pratama, who made this brilliant aggressive move on the last lap. Oh, block pass on Carpe going through 4. We might be on course for history here. Never has an Indonesian rider at any level finished on a world. Only trying to get up some slipstream, but he's going to run out of time. Max Quiles wins a 5-lap sprint in Moto3 here in Brazil. And we do have first time in Grand Prix history in our Honda Team Asia bike. Wow, Indonesia have waited so long to have a superstar to cheer on, a superstar to roar on. Veda Pratama on the box here in 9 kilos late on. But without any question, make no mistake, this is why Honda Team Asia was so keen to offer a World Championship break to the emerging talent of Veda Pratama. And that's how you celebrate your first ever Grand Prix podium.
Veda, what a ride in only